Hey there, I'm Sydney.
And I'm Catherine from the Castle Robotics Club in Newburgh, Indiana.
Today we're going to make a magnet maze activity, so let's get started.
Inside your kit, you should have one pre-made maze, 2 pieces of paper, 2 magnets, one larger one with a handle and one smaller one, a spaceman, and an adhesive dot.
So let's start by explaining magnets. A magnet is like magic. It can pull certain things towards it, like paper clips or nails, without even touching them.
Magnets have an invisible force called magnetism. It's kind of like a superhero power. You can't see it, but you can feel it when you hold a magnet near something metal, and it suddenly jumps towards the magnet. Magnets have 2 ends called poles, a north pole and a south pole. If you try to put the same poles together, like north to north, they push away from each other. But if you put opposite poles together, north to south, they pull together.
So magnetism is like an invisible hand that can grab certain things and play a little game of push and pull. Cool, right?
But where do magnets come from?
Some magnets come from nature. A long time ago, people found special rocks called lodestones. These rocks were already magnetic all by themselves. They're made from a kind of metal called iron that got magnetized by Earth's magnetic field.
But most magnets we use today, like fridge magnets or the magnets in toys, are made by people in factories. Here's how. Scientists and engineers take metals like iron, nickel, or cobalt. They heat them up and sometimes mix them together. Then they put them in a strong magnetic field, kind of like giving them a big zap of magnet power. After that, they cool down and just stay magnetic, just like magic.
So some magnets come from the Earth and others are made by people using science. For this activity, we're going to use magnets to guide an astronaut through a maze. You can use the maze that we provided, or you can make one of your own. If you want to make a maze, there's a very easy way to do it. On a piece of paper, mark a start and end point. Then draw lines from the left side of start to the left side of end, and on the right side of start to the right side of end. Now you can draw lines or swirls from each of these lines, and as long as the lines that start on the left don't touch the lines that start on the right, you'll have a path through the maze. Be sure to add color, decorations, stickers, or 3D obstacles if you want. Once you've made your maze, you can use it with your magnet activity.
Connect the spaceman to the small magnet with the adhesive dot. Make sure you attach it the right way so you can move it with the handle magnet. Test it before you connect the spaceman. There's a little sticky on this side. Okay.
Now place your maze in the box and place your spaceman on start.
We hope you enjoyed this activity as much as we did.
Check out our channel for more STEM Kit videos.